Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you all? I hope you all are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. So today is very important program. So what is the program? In this program we are going to generate a simple password. Okay, so the simple password generation program, it is just we will use a Python. So in a Python, and let me arrange it here a little bit. Now you can see. So by using a Python program we will generate a simple password. Okay, so first of all what we need to do, so I will import a library here, the module here, the random. Okay, then I will use upper case underscore letter. So what letter we want to include in our password? So here, so I will write all. So A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P. Okay, so O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. So I'm going to include all these letters, and then I also need to include a lowercase letter as well. Sorry, so lowercase letter, lower case underscore letter. So this is a L-E-T-T-E-R letter. Okay, lowercase letter. So this time what I need to do, no need to write again a lowercase letter, just use a just to convert the uppercase to a lowercase. Okay, so I will use the same function, uppercase letter. I'm going to convert to a lower. Okay, so this is the function I'm going to use. Now if you want to see what should be the output, print, okay, here lower case letter. Now you will see here. Now let me run the program. Now you can see, so it is going to convert these upper case letter into a lower case letter. Okay, so so here we also need to include a digit. Okay, so definitely we need to include a digit in our password, and here I will add 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and the 0 also. Okay, so 0. So all these digits I need to include. So I also need to include a symbol in my password. Okay, so what should be the symbol? The symbol can be a @, a symbol can be a hashtag, a symbol can be a plus sign, a symbol can be a minus sign, a symbol can be a bracket, a symbol curly bracket, okay, small brackets, so on and so far. It's up to you. Question mark, okay, asterisk. So whatever the symbol you want to add, so you can add all. It's up to you. Equal sign. Okay, so all these symbol if you want to add, so you can add. Okay, just because we want to include all these symbols. Okay, then the next thing here which I'm going to do here, so which thing we need to include in our password which is going to generate. So I will make you understand once you will get the output here. Okay, so here upper, lower, this one I will explain you once I will show you the output. Lower numbers and symbols, SYMS. Okay, so which thing I need to include here, just true, comma true, true, because I need to include all, upper, lower, num, symbol, everything I need to include in my password. Okay, so everything, so I have 1 2 3 4 true. Okay, everything is true. So once I will show you the output, then you will better understand this thing. Okay, so now I'm going to create a string for the password. So here all, so string here, empty string equal to empty string. Okay, now here I will write the condition. If we choose a uppercase letter, we are going to include them into a final string. So here all, if okay, just let me write if upper, then all plus uppercase letter, and here if lower, then all, then we need lowercase letter, and if nums then all digit, okay, and if symbol, if sys, then all equal to symbol, okay. So that's all. Now here I need to write a length. What should be the length of the password? So here length equal to 20, so it should be this will be the length of the password. And then amount, what should be the how many password you are going to generate. Here you need to write amount here, okay. Suppose 10 password you want to generate, so here you can write 10. If you want 20, write 20. So now we need to write a for loop for x in range, so is amount mean, so here, so how many amount, and password password is equal to, let me write the full, dot join this function, and here we will use a random dot sample and all and length, so the length, okay. Now let me print the password first, print password, okay. So I hope so it should work. Now here you can see it print the 10 password. If you can see here, it print the 10 password here, okay. See here, okay. Now if you want to print more number of password, suppose if you want to print 20 password, okay. So here just where is the number, here we can change to 20, okay. So you can generate a 20 password. You can see now it is a 20 password. But if you want to change to 10, okay, 10 password, but here it can be a 40, okay, because the length should be a 40, okay. Now it is 10, okay. If you will see here, the length is 10, but if you want to make the length 40, so just you need to make it 40, okay. So now you can see here, now it is the length is 40. So this is here all about the password generation. Now suppose if you want always want a same password, then you should use a seed function, okay. So how you can use a seed function here? Suppose we will use a seed function, and you will see how you can then what should be the output of the password, okay. So because now in this case the password will remain same, all the password will be same, okay. Now see here, so I will use seed is equal to, suppose HAIDER header tag, and here I will use a random dot seed and seed, okay. Now let me check here. You can see here it is CWX, so this is the password, okay. Now you will see always it will get the same password. It will always get the same password. Let me run again. Now you can see here 8R, this one you can see here 8R. Now again if I will run, it will generate the same password 8RRV5E, okay. So no one is using this one, but okay, sometime if you need to generate same 20 password, 40 password again and again, better to use this function, okay. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. I hope this video is very much informative for you. Please like and subscribe to Heather Tech, and see you inshallah in next video. Thank you.